This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your work is committed and pushed. This prevents broken links. Once done, choose the branch or folder you want to share, main for stable code, or a feature branch for work in progress. Next, open the repository on GitHub. Com and switch to that branch in the branch selector. Make sure the branch view shows the file or folder you intend to link to, because the URL will reflect that exact view and ensure recipients land on the correct content. Now you create the precise link. If you want the repository root or a folder, copy the browser address bar. It already encodes branch and path. For a single file, open it and choose the blob view so the URL points to that file version. Use raw if you need plain content. If you need to reference lines, click the line numbers or drag to select a range. GitHub appends a hash with line anchors so recipients see the exact lines immediately. Finally, paste the link into your message and add a brief sentence about what you expect the recipient to do. Context speeds review. Before sending widely, open the link in an incognito window or a different account to confirm it resolves and shows intended content. If the repo is private and others can't access it, either invite them as collaborators, share a view via a fork, or create a public gist or paste. Troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.